Hello, this is Carol Sakai. Today I'm sharing a video cartoon entitled Trump, Hurricane Irma, and Climate Change. Donald Trump's lack of understanding about the role of science in hurricane and disasters has led him to propose deep cuts in NOAA in March of 2017. He said the deepest cuts would be to programs related to Earth's satellite data collection, which tracks weather. Here is just one image collected by NOAA's satellites for Hurricane Irma, the largest, most powerful hurricane to form in the Atlantic Ocean. With the proposed Trump cuts, images like this would not exist because there would be a lack of funding. The oceans are heating up, and this is undeniable. Many graphs and visuals have been created to show the increases in temperature over the last several decades. The rise in ocean temperatures has contributed to the force and weight of massive hurricanes Harvey and Irma. The warmth from the ocean surfaces provides fuel for massive tropical storms. Dr. Carey Emanuel of MIT has reported that since 1970, both Atlantic and Pacific storms have increased in duration and intensity by 50%. Despite scientific evidence, Donald Trump closes his ears and refuses to acknowledge the role of climate change. Why? Because big oil helps fund his campaigns. Trump is beholden to the fossil fuel interests such as ExxonMobil and the Koch brothers. The Koch brothers have for years funded special interest groups and think tanks whose primary focus is on fighting environmental regulation, opposing clean energy legislation, and easing limits on industrial pollution. The result? Massive cuts in EPA and other agencies that collect data on climate change. Withdrawal from the Paris Accord, whose goal is to limit carbon emissions, which results in global warming. The massive hurricanes wreak havoc on our country and represent environmental disasters and economic loss for millions of Americans. Hurricane Harvey has released untold amounts of hazardous gas, oil, and chemical pollutants into the environment, in part because of laxity in government regulation. Trump smashes scientific research and data collection and forces government agencies to outlaw the words climate change to keep his base of supporters happy. But the muzzling of science does not change reality. The Earth is getting warmer. Climate change is happening. We are jeopardizing the Earth's ability to maintain its normal balance. Rather than leading the world into a sustainable lifestyle, Trump is retreating and closing his eyes. We need to stand up and wake up to realities and move towards protecting and not destroying the Earth. The Earth is our mother. We must take care of her. Why? Because our lives and the lives of our future generations depends on it. The Earth is the only world so far to harbor life. The Earth is where we must make our stand. Carl Sagan. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel where I will bring other protest Trump videos as well as videos on other topics such as wildlife art, dance art, and sculpture.